Okay, so I just took some more parts off my Jacobsen, and now I got the seat, the front wheels, I got it up on all four stands. I took the grill and the starter generator off, and the other two belt guards and the belts, like the starter generator belt, that one right like around there. I got the other belt off. The last thing I need to do is the motor, which is just 4 bolts like right here, over there, which I took off because those bolts hold the starter generator on. And then I got 2 more back here. So I got all the parts down on the table.
No referrals to specialists, free preventive care, and coming soon, telemedicine. To choose Connecticut.
This starter generator didn't really work too good. Like, it didn't charge the battery. So, since I had a spare motor from a different tractor, a different Jacobsen, I'm going to use that one on this motor to see if it charges the battery. It's pretty greasy, but no rust at all. It's a very beautiful tractor.
And then apply for a job with an electrical contractor or a different electrical business in the greater Danbury area. Jobs are what it's all about. And here at Ridley Lowell, we prepare you.
Next time you might see it like without the motor on it.
Commercial, industrial, residential. At Ridley,
So yeah.
teach you the ways. The education you need for the career